This is a quick update video for Brian Shepley concerning this Walthers Trainline that I did a truck repair to a year ago. So it's been a year since you did this repair. What is the outcome? Did it stand up to normal running or did it fail? Well, let's find out, shall we? Here he comes now. That was a kind of proof of life thing I did there, did you notice? Just so you know I wasn't cheating. I completely forgot I did this repair, so thanks for reminding me. As you can see, it has not failed. Running like a champ. We'll do a full lap just to confirm. I know that Brian has a few of these to repair himself, so I know it was a bit of a pain, but now you know what to do and what glue to use, etc. And of course how awkward it is to do. But once you get it done, it's well worth it because the Walthers Trainlines are brilliant, apart from that one design flaw that we hate. Running great, love it. Any excuse to run a Chessie, right? Just ignore the messy layout. Superb. Yeah, lovely. Oh well. Hope that helps, Brian. You may proceed. Good luck with your future projects.